Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the minimal environment so you can draw immediately. Open RStudio in a project folder, then install and load ggplot2 and svglite. These handle plots and vector export. Once done, read your data with read CSV and inspect structure with SDR to avoid surprises. Make sure to set a reproducible seed if randomness appears. Save an initial script file and test a simple ggplot scatter to confirm rendering works before moving to styling and layout. You now construct the main graphic and refine how it communicates. Start with geomepoint or geomeline and map aesthetics to variables. This encodes meaning. Then apply theme minimal or a custom theme to control margins and grid lines, and use scale color manual to guarantee consistent palettes. Once done, add labels, legends, and annotations to explain outliers or key trends so viewers don't guess. Make sure to check aspect ratio and coordinate limits to prevent distortion of shapes and comparison. You finish by exporting and validating the drawing for its final use. Use ggsave with width, height, units, and DPI for raster. Prefer svglite or PDF for vector output so lines remain sharp. If text or symbols disappear, make sure fonts are available or use Cairo device to embed. Once done, open the exported file in the target app to confirm layout. If elements shift, incrementally adjust theme margins or legend positions and re-export until stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.